Hi guys, welcome back to my shop. Today something a little bit different. We have to take a break from woodturning every once in a while, and we who are stuck at home right now with the virus going on, and it will be something that we'll be able to tell our kids about, but we want to do some stuff for fun. So I was sent this kit from Robotime, and this is one of those wooden model that you can build for yourself. This is the Terminator M870. So if you enjoy this and you like these wooden models, you can get this model with a discount. You can see the discount code and the link where to order this in the video description below, right there. I always read the video description. No one ever does. Now it's a good excuse for you to go to the video description and see how you can get one of these for yourself. So let's do this. Let's see how long it will take me to build this thing, and we'll see how well it works.
Under the mountain, rolling through the deep. And I've been burning up the track like fire. Fire seen me through. Pick the right train, I could be rolling back to you. Ticket man, when you see my face, well, it sure don't need to tell me this is the right train. It's the right train. Book my ticket, book my place, buckle up, let's go. I know that this is the right train. It's the right train. Track like fire, fire'd seen me through. Pick the right train, I could be rolling back to you. Ticket man, when you see my face, well, it sure don't need to tell me this is the right train. It's the right train. Pull my ticket, book my place, buckle up, let's go. I know that this is the right train. It's the right train. I've been rolling back to you, baby, rolling through the night. I've been rolling back to see you, honey, kiss and hold you tight. If this train breaks down, it won't stop me, I'll keep on running through. 'Cause I've been saving all of my money just to get to you. Just to get to you. Just to get to you. talk it over. Baby, there's no need to fight. I don't want you, baby, you don't want me. So meet me tomorrow and darling, we'll see what we see. What we see. So baby, meet me tomorrow under the black sky. We'll walk together, baby, you and I. You and I. I don't want you, baby, and you don't want me. So meet me tomorrow, darling, we'll see what we see. What we see. So baby, meet me tomorrow under the black sky. We'll walk together, baby, you and I. You and I. You and I. You and I.
So now that it's done, let me show you how to load it up. So you take the gun and you take 2 rubber bands at a time. It shoots out 2 rubber bands at the same time, and you can load up 5 rounds. So you take 10 rubber so you take 10 rubber bands all together. I think that's about 10. And you grab 2 rubber bands and you place them here on this hook at the front, and you pull them back and you place them on the little wheel, and you wind the wheel back once, and then you take another 2 rubber bands and you place them on the hook and on the wheel, and you wind it back once. You hear it click. You load again, 2 rubber bands, and you go back until you click, 2 rubber bands on the hand and on the wheel, and turn it back until it clicks, and the last one you put 2 rubber bands, and whoop, there's not a lot of room left. You put 2 rubber bands and on the wheel, and you cock it. I'm not sure that you have to cock it back. So if I pull the trigger now, nothing happens. But once I use this and I cock it back, it primes it. And then the trigger becomes live. And once you press the trigger, it will release the 2 rubber bands. And then you knock it again, it will release 2 rubber bands, and you knock it again, and it will release 2 rubber bands, knock it again, release 2 bands again, and the last one. I think that's probably one of the coolest thing I've ever saw. So now we're gonna have to do some target practice, and for the target practice we got these little soldier dudes. Let's get back all the bands that I just fired at my wall around here, and let's set up these guys over here, as you can see, there's a few of those. There we go. And these guys come with bases to put them on. So we'll take these guys out. The bases are on the B platform, so we'll take those out as well. Let's connect those. And now what I'll do, I'll go and spread these guys around my shop a little bit, and we'll see how well I can eat them. At this point, the trigger is completely, wait a minute, there's some wax here. At this point, the trigger does nothing until you cock it, and then you can fire it off. So let's fire a few shots off and see how quickly we can do those. And that's it. 10 rubber bands, 5 shots. So, in conclusion, I have to say that this is the first model of this type that I've ever made. It was a really fantastic experience. It took me about 2 hours to construct this. With zero experience, you can definitely buy this for any child to do with you, or buy themselves, maybe with a little bit of your help with the tricky parts, with these a little bit more flexible parts. I do have to say that I did break a couple of these parts, and I glued them back on only to realize that there are a lot of spares. You need only 4 of these, and they give you, as you can see, 5 more spares, because they probably know these are very delicate and they're bound to break. Once they're on, they're very strong. And they also give you another one of these in case this one breaks. The first one didn't break, so I got a spare of those. And there are a few other parts here that come as a spare. You got these nice embellishments for the ends of the cocking mechanism, another one of these for the inside, and some of the pins, another wheel for the magazine, and some other small pins and stuff like those that they give you as spares. So if one of those break, you can always use one of the others, but don't go wild. It's not an endless supply. If you're like me and you have a wood shop, then you can always fabricate more parts in case you've exhausted the parts that you have. So I want to thank again Robotime for sending me this model. It was a fantastic experience building it, and I want to thank them for giving me the opportunity to show you guys one of their fantastic models. So once again, if you made it this far into the video, you can find the link to buy this product and a discount code in the video description at the bottom of the video. Go inside, click the link, buy the thing, use the code, and I hope to see you back in my shop really soon.